Kaya nga guys, tinawag ko nga ang aking kapatid. Bibigyan natin siya ng choices. Motor o iPhone. Ayun nga guys, kumuha na nga siya ng isa. Ayaw niya pa nga sabihin, aray ko. Pero motor nga.
And this is when the moments turn to memories. And this is when the future gets so clear to see. And this is when tonight becomes a.
Ayun nga guys, shoutout kay Kuya Jay.
And this is when the moments turn to memories. Memories. Deep breath in and I come alive. It's a feeling I remember for the rest of my life. So I sit back and watch the sun paint us gold. For a moment we feel like we rule the.
Nakauwi na nga siya, ang saya daw, Bogard.